Hey guys, welcome back to Side Yard Mechanic. Here's a quick video of a Trek Navigator 200 I rebuilt for my wife. This bike was headed for the dumpster, stuck in somebody's backyard for years. You can see how the tires are all rotted out and the chains rusted. Everything was pretty much locked up. Pedals barely spun. I don't even think the crank turned over. You can see here all the cables, they were all seized up. I had to take those and soak them in Tri-Flow just to get them moving. You can see the brake lever here, seized up, doesn't even move. So we just took it apart, oiled up everything, greased everything, cleaned it up, new tires, lubed up the cables. It was a very minimal build. Tires, tubes, rim strips, chain, put a seat and some grips on it. Here's the final product. Trek Navigator 200. Came out pretty nice. Simple little build. Put some gum wall tires and the brown seat. That was my wife's request. Was able to get everything freed up, tuned up and working perfect. Brakes are freed up, levers freed up. This bike rides really nice. It's really smooth. Handles good. It's light. Wife enjoys it. The seat's comfortable. It's got that suspension seat post, which is a nice feature. Just got these parts from Amazon. Got the Shimano derailleur. Look at these pedals. Spinning for days. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for checking it out. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.